Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you 2K resolution solar security camera. This has PTZ function, PIR human detection, color night vision. Let's go ahead and check it out. Here we have some of the features here. It shows fixed solar panel, white light right there, and infrared light right there. 2K resolution and PTZ function. Let's go ahead and open the box and see what we have inside. Here we have the user manual, USB-A to USB-C charging cable. This is what you're gonna put on the wall. Here is the camera. Screw pack. Let's go ahead and check this out. Solar panel. This is fixed antennas. Here we have. In this area, there is power button, reset button, and SD card. And this area is for manual charging, not with the solar panel. I'm going to go ahead and install the application and add the camera and check the features one by one. And I'm going to go ahead and add the camera right there.
Hold the device power button to start the device.
And the device is already on right now.
Select the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network and enter your password.
And I'm going to go ahead and put the password right there. And continue. It's supposed to be 2.4G. And we're gonna go ahead and scan the QR code. Let's go ahead and turn it on. Now it's on.
Give a moment.
Now it's connecting. I'll scan the QR code. Being added successfully. Next. Now we are done with adding. Let's go ahead and take it out. It is talking about how you're going to use it. Let's mute it. You can go ahead and talk. Two-way audio talk. Hello. Hello. That's two-way audio talk. You can record the video. You have to have the SD card to record. And there's motion detection. You see all the settings: detection sensitivity, humanoid, night humanoid, humanoid detection sensitivity, power saving mode, performance mode. I like always performance mode. And alert plan. There is humanoid alarm area. You can add however you like, wherever you like. Whoever is passing or whatever is passing over there, it's gonna alarm either with light or sound. Let's go back. You see audio warning and strobe light. Let's go back, and there is PTZ. Let's check it out. It is very responsive, and as you see, there is no lagging or no distortion. It is awesome. Alrighty, let's see the light. These two LED lights and these two infrared lights. It is also telling you there is motion detection. Let's go ahead and see the alarm. You can go ahead and turn it on. Both of them, audio warning and strobe light. Let's go back. Full color night vision, black and white night vision, intelligent vision. And here is the album. There's nothing right now. These are some of the settings. We can see signal strength 100%, electric is 100. Motion detection. You can share the device with your loved ones. And this is working Amazon Echo also. Time settings, sound, video, AI analysis, battery management, recording management. Let me go ahead and put it outside, and I'm going to go ahead and test it during the day and night time. Just put it over here for testing purposes. Either you can screw it right over here on this wood, or you can just put it right there on the ceiling. Now here is the camera. I'm just gonna go ahead and put it like that and push it. Now it's good. Here is the area we're gonna test. This is ST version. And let's go ahead and check it out. QHD. We can see the changes. Let's check this tree. QHD, and I'm gonna choose ST. That's the ST version. Still good, but I like QHD right there. Or you can use auto. Let me go ahead and walk around and see how it's working. It is also warning there is someone in the backyard. Right there. Let me do the PTZ. And here is PTZ. Check it out. Let's see. Let's look at it closely. Right side. Down. Up. Right there. Check this out. It's almost 360 degrees. As you see, no lagging, no problem, nothing. This is awesome. I'm right there. Hello? Hello? Alrighty. I'm gonna do the test during the nighttime and see how it's working. Now it's nighttime. Let's check it out. Here is the night vision. I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the light. Go back. And here is the light. This is full color. Like that. Let's try to use the PTZ option. Right. Let me see if it's gonna see me or not. And I'm right there. Right here. Let's check it out. Here's a good quality. Whenever it passes or someone passes in front of the camera, it's just gonna warn with the light and sound. It is night and it was too loud. That's why I just turned off the alarm. Let's check it out. As you see, I'm just moving freely and it is just showing me the video without interruption. That's awesome. The video quality is awesome also. And as you see, it is saying motion detected. That's me. I'm gonna turn off the lights. Let's see. Now the night vision is activated. Right now I don't see anything. It is completely dark, but this, you can see me. It turned on the lights automatically. You see, it sees clearly. I can definitely suggest this product. That's because it has LED light and it is using solar panel and battery. Let's check it out. As you see, you cannot see anything, but camera sees everything. Go ahead and turn it to the left and see. It is very bright. It has two-way audio talk. You can take a picture or record a video. I'm gonna mute this. There's PTZ option and motion detection. And you can just choose the area. And whoever passes over there, it's gonna alarm. It has siren, warning with the light and the sound. And it has full color night vision. The most important thing is the PTZ option. I like that. You can see everything and you're not missing anything. Let's see if it's gonna see me. Yep. It's right there. I can definitely suggest this product.